let us come to the first question which we are going to study in today's class is, so heating of a green ions. So let me see who will answer first. Start answering now, all of you. Very, very important question. So many times used to come in exams. First question. Everybody need to speak. I'm saying you again. Don't be silent every time. Try to answer at least one question in our single class. So if you observe here, when a green iron salt, they are saying that when a green iron salt is heated strongly, its color finally changes to brown and the odor of burning sulfur is given out. Odor of burning sulfur is given out. So name the iron salt, understanding, and name the type of reaction that takes place during this heating of iron salt, and write a chemical equation for that reaction involved, they are saying. So if you'll observe here, when you will heat a green salt, I have already taught you. If you'll heat, for example, clue I will give you. If you'll heat one iron salt, we used to get a 3 products. Do you remember? That is the equation.
Ferrous sulfate, sir.
Ferrous
sulfate.
Ferrous sulfate. That's all. So name the iron salt. What is that? Fe.
Ferrous sulfate.
Formula.
Fe2SO4.
Fe2SO4 or FeSO4? What are you talking?
Fe2SO4.
Fe2SO4.
Sorry, FeSO4.
Because iron is 2, sulfate is a 2 minus. How it will come? Fe2.
Sorry, sir.
Yalni, careful with the formulas. If you'll keep Fe2, then everything will change. Then even though, what is the use of knowing the name of the salt? So FeSO4, iron sulfate, RS ferrous sulfate. What we used to call?
Ferrous sulfate.
Ferrous sulfate. Now, so all of you write the equation. So what is this equation called as? What is this equation called as? Tell me. Huh? Ferrous sulfate. What is the equation? This equation called as? Are a single substance. Reactant is single and product is coming.
Decomposition reaction.
Decomposition.
You should say that. Understanding. So this is what? It is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Now all of you, what is that reaction? What is the products? Tell me, all of you.
Sir, ferrous sulfate.
Ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. So it is what kind of decomposition reaction? Anybody? Varshini? Nitin? Nish? What kind of decomposition reaction? Arvind?
Heat, sir.
Heat. So what we can call it as? If it is because of heat, what we should call this is? Thermal?
Thermal decomposition.
You be very smart. You have to give work to your brain. Now, what is the products will come? Tell me. Fe2.
Fe2O3.
Iron oxide.
Fe2O3,
Iron oxide. Or iron 3
Iron
oxide.
Iron 3.
Iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 oxide. Fe2O3 plus what will come? A sulfur, burning of sulfur will come. Means in the sense of, what is the gas of that? Sulfur dioxide.
SO2 plus
Sulfur.
SO3, sulfur trioxide.
Yeah. Sulfur trioxide and sulfur dioxide will come. So if you'll observe balancing, is it balanced? It is not balanced.
No, sir.
So here we have to keep 2. So then it is
2 FeSO4.
2 FeSO4 plus, if you are heating, then it is to come Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. This is the equation. So that's all. So write the chemical equation for the reaction involved. This is the third question answer. Second question, because of heating of iron salt, so that it is called as decomposition. What kind of decomposition? Thermal decomposition.
Thermal decomposition.
So that also you can write it. And what is the salt? It is FeSO4, ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate. Note it down. Ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate.
Iron 2 sulfate.
Yeah, iron 2 sulfate. Here what you should write? Heat down, what we should write? Down, what we should write?
Decomposition.
All of you be very careful. That is only the difference between you and your other classmates. They will write only the equation, but they won't write above and below the arrow. So that we should write it. Understanding? So below arrow, what we should come? Always decomposition. Above arrow, type of decomposition. If it is a light, light. If it is a heat, heat. If it is electricity, electricity. So as we know that this is heat, so that heat and below decomposition reaction. This is what we want. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Arya, next to you need to answer. Just see, call to Pranita, make it fast. Tell them to join. Pranav is not joined. Till now, Dina is not joined. So many is absent. Anusri, Akshaya. Anusri is there. Akshaya is not there. Answer fastly. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have doubt, anybody, you please ask them. This is the most important equation, Ra. So many times used to ask this equation. Is there any doubt? You can ask. That's all. Can I go for next question? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait, sir.
Oh, okay. Do it. Learn carefully. Don't think that it is understanding. You have to learn this. Yalni, chemical formulas, don't do again that same mistake. Be very careful. Iron is variable valency, always.
Okay, sir.
Next question, Nitish Kumar will answer. If Nitish Kumar is unable to answer, then it will goes to Jesse. Jesse will answer. Like that, I will give you every time chance. Arya, you also. After that, you are only need to answer. Varshini, Humaira, I don't know. Completely silent Humaira. What she is doing, I don't know. What happened to Humaira? Not at all answering anything. Okay. So this is the question. That's all. Go for the next question. Next question, who is need to answer? Nitish. Nitish will answer as well as Jesse will answer. You may remember this question. While I am teaching, I have taught you some brown fumes will come in some reaction. That is the reaction. Now I am giving you clue, but exam nobody will give. So can anybody say where, in which reaction I have told you a brown fumes will come?
Decomposition of lead nitrate, sir.
Lead nitrate. Very good, Alni. Others also will expect same fastness. That fastness should be. Now go ahead, Nitish first. Nitish first. Nitish.
Sir.
Yeah, speak, Nitish. Don't be silent. I'm saying you. I don't want to be that like that students. Speak now. What is that lead
Sir,
salt?
lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate. Formula solo.
PbNO3.
PbNO3. That's all. Is it PbNO lead nitrate salt? PbNO3. Is it correct? What is the valency of lead? What is this, Nitish? Is it
PbNO3 twice.
PbNO3 twice, sir.
Twice. That is because lead is +2, nitrate is -1. So PbNO3 twice. So it is also. Now let me ask Anusri. So decomposition reaction it is. Is it yes or no, Anusri?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What kind of decomposition reaction? Others you be silent. What kind of decomposition reaction? Arvind, what kind of decomposition reaction it is?
Heat.
Dilipan is saying heat. Arvind is not speaking. So it is a
The heat,
decomposition reaction which is under thermal decomposition only. Now, so write a chemical equation of the reaction they are saying. So this is the decomposition reaction which is takes place under heat. So that we can say it is thermal decomposition. Now, second one they are asking, name the brown fumes. Who will answer? Let me select. You be silent. Let me select who will be there.
Lead oxide.
Wait,
Lead oxide.
that is not the brown fumes. You people are that is not good. Understanding. Varshini Bensi will
Sir.
say. Can you say what is the brown fumes? Varshini or Humaira? What is the brown fumes? I have taught you again and again. We have to remember when any equation brown fumes are forming, that is only one product.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide. Very good, Ashika. Very good, Ashika. So here we used to get three products. Can you able to say what is the three products?
Lead
Lead monoxide,
monoxide,
nitrogen dioxide,
Nitrogen
Oxygen.
Nitrogen
dioxide,
dioxide, oxygen.
nitrogen dioxide and
oxygen.
oxygen. Now you be very silent. Arya will speak. Arya, try to balance this equation fastly. I should know. I want to know that. Fastly speak, Arya. This is the most important reaction. Speak.
2 PB,
2 PB, 2 P,
2
2
PB,
PB,
NO3 twice,
NO3 twice,
2
gives
PBO,
2 PBO plus 4 NO2 plus
4 NO2 plus
30.
4.
So this is, what is the color of this one? What is the color of this one? Brown fumes. Understanding?
brown fumes.
So what is the color of this one? So this nitrogen dioxide is only called as brown fumes. What is the color of
Brown
lead
fumes.
oxide? What is the color
Yellow,
of lead
sir.
oxide?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Color. What is the lead, color of lead nitrate? What is the color of lead nitrate?
Colorless, sir.
Colorless.
And
Colorless,
oxygen gas
sir.
is also colorless. So this is a colorless substance. Understanding? So that is what we should know. So this is the reaction which we have studied. If see here they are asking brown fumes. Whenever you are seeing brown fumes, immediately our brain should suggest one compound name. What is that?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide. Brown fumes means in the sense of we have only one thing in our class 10th, that is nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Whenever they will ask you lead salt, immediately our brain should suggest we have only one lead salt. What is that?
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
All of you write it. So these brown fumes, name the brown fumes. What we should say? What we should say? Yeah, nitrogen.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen
Dioxide.
dioxide. Don't get confused. That is. So what is the name the lead salt? Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate. B. Word also.
NO3 twice.
Formula.
Colorless, colorless.
Colorless.
Yeah, PbNO3 twice. It is
Color.
understanding known as lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
Write it. So many, there is no sincerity, not yet joined in meeting. 6:30 means they will wake up. I don't know what you are going to do. Today is the 30th day. From tomorrow, what is the day tomorrow? Have you remembered?
May 1, sir.
May 1st. May 1st. What is our instructions? Have you remembered? But there is no sincerity. I have told you this 10 days you have to make a habit. But still so many absentees.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now you are saying after 26 minutes. So okay, carry on. Complete this question fastly. Akshaya, you are also late today. I don't know what happened. Padmavarshini late. Everybody is late. Completed. Nitinath, are you understand Nitinath? Arya. Humaira, next question. You are only Humaira. Are you ready? Miss
Sir,
Humaira.
lead oxide color is yellow only, no, sir.
Lead oxide color is yellow only, Kevin. I have taught you in classwork. You see once. Am I not taught you?
No, sir.
You thought, sir.
I have not taught you color, Kevin.
No, sir, you thought, sir.
Sir, you said when it is hot, it is reddish brown, and when it is cool, then only it will turn into yellow only.
That is releasing. Yeah, I have taught you everything clearly. You mentioned final product will be yellow. It is okay.
Okay, sir.
When it is forming reddish brown because of heat. Understand? When it will cools, it will turns into yellow. That is the perfect thing. You have that knowledge, Yalni, that nobody have. Understanding? That is the only the thing.
The final color is yellow.
Yeah, final color is yellow.
Okay, sir.
Completed. So we'll go for next question.
Yes,
Humaira,
sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Go for the next question. Anybody is having any doubt, you kindly approach me. Don't delay. Don't waste time now. Still 15 members only there. I don't know who is absent is. Who is having that problem also. So let me see next question. Humaira, I'm giving you easy question, but you have to answer fastly. Others, you be silent and try to make your answer. When I will ask you to say, you please say. Humera will answer this question. Humera, make it fast. Don't take more than 10 seconds. That is the easiest question, but this is a higher order thinking skill, higher order thinking question only. Humera, respond. First case, hydrogen burns in oxygen. Water is forming. Later that water is electrolyzed, then hydrogen and oxygen is produced. What type of reaction will take place in first case and second case? This much time. Who will say? Anybody?
Oxidation.
Sir, that first one is
First one is? Are type of reaction they are asking, yaar. Why you are doing this much?
Oxidation.
Type of
combination,
reaction,
sir.
oxidation, reduction.
Reduction.
What
Combination
means
and
decomposition
reduction?
reaction in second case.
First
one,
case
who is-
combination.
Yeah. First one is
Second
called
case
as
decomposition.
combination reaction.
Second case
Second
decomposition
decomposition.
reaction.
First one is called as combination reaction because
Combination
what?
reaction.
Hydrogen
So because A plus B is
plus
equal to
oxygen
hydrogen
plus
plus
O2.
oxygen will gives you what?
Oxygen gives
H2O. H2O.
It gives you 2H2.
H2O.
Is it correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So balancing
Yes,
will
sir.
take here
Yes,
2H2 will come. So that is why it is
Yes.
called as what? It is called
Combination
as
reaction.
Combination
combination
reaction.
reaction. That is what I am asking.
For the
For this also this much time. Next. So this
For
is
the second
combination
case,
reaction.
Second one decomposition.
Second one
electrolysis.
is a reverse reaction.
Electrolysis is decomposition.
No. So second one reverse of this one. That is why it is called as decomposition.
Yes,
What
sir.
kind of
AB is
decomposition?
equal to
What kind of decomposition?
Electrolysis.
the electrolysis decomposition.
Electrolyzed.
That
By
is.
using electricity, sir.
That's all. By using current so that it is electrolysis. That's all. Answer. Humera is not answered. I don't know what happened to her. Humera answered. Oxidation. Humera. Humera, be logical. Don't go for why both are oxidation. She is saying both are oxidation reaction. Is it, Rama?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Do it.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ah,
Sir, only for water we can use the term electrolysis, or whatever decomposition which takes place on electricity we can call it electrolysis.
everything. Suppose sodium chloride also decomposition of electrolysis only. It is also everything. It's the common name for everything which is decomposed with the help of electricity. Understand, Ashika?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any ionization of any kind of mobile free electrons will form in the state of mobile state. What is it, that molten state? What is the meaning of molten state? I said. What is the meaning of molten state? I said.
Dissolved states.
Hello, molten state. I am asking. Is there anybody who knows what is the meaning
Dissolved
of
states.
liquid state? When it is in liquid state,
sir.
that is called as molten state. Do it. Jesse, make a call to Pranita, and those who are absent. Dina is absent yet, and Pranav also absent. Let them join, please. Inform them. That's all. So, have you completed this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Dina in house. Okay, da. What? Dina is in house. What? I'm not understanding. Okay. So let us go for next question. And program. Every time this fellow program only. Then what is this? Stupid boy. Okay. Next question. Who will answer? Next question. Akshaya will answer. Akshaya and Dharani Pushpa. Okay. If Dharani Pushpa is not there, Anusri, you can answer. Akshaya and Anusri or Dharani Pushpa. In this, you can answer one by one. Go for it, all of you. Others, complete it fastly. Varshini, you should not take more than 2-3 minutes for these questions. Kevin, you also, I'm saying you again. Start doing now. Akshay, answer the first question. Tarani, Pushpa, Anusri, anybody you can answer.
Sir, X is zinc, sir.
X is? Akshay answered, I think. Udmarshini, what are you doing? Is it completed?
Yes,
How
sir,
many
I'm
have
doing.
completed others?
Yes, sir. X is iron.
Sir,
zinc,
completed.
X is zinc. Akshay is saying Y. X is zinc, Y is copper. Is it true, Ra?
Y is copper.
How many of you completed this question?
Why is
Copper
copper?
sulfate.
Completed, sir.
Copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate.
X
Let's
is
see.
zinc, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aravind, have you completed Aravind? Dileepan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Humaira? Jesse?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us see. Let me read the question. A strip of metal X is dipped in a blue colored salt solution YSO4. So from that you understand blue color salt
Blue
solution
color is
YSO4
copper sulfate.
means in the
Copper
sense of it is what? Name the metal salt Y.
Copper
It is copper
sulfate.
sulfate
Copper
CuSO4.
sulfate.
So from this, like that way you have to answer. No need to go for always from A to B sir, B to C sir, like that. First you have to understand that. Now what could be metal Y? They are saying we can say copper it is. Yes or no? Now
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
definitely if you'll understand, this is the displacement reaction. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Definitely X will be a what? More reactive than copper or less reactive
More
than copper? More
More
reactive.
reactive than copper.
Let
Copper
us
is
see
less
that.
reactive than
Now, sir, then which metals are? So many metals we have. Which metals are? Which metal means? Here we have a word called as galvanization. Galvanization means what? We will use understanding coating of iron in the galvanization, that is molten zinc. Molten zinc we will apply the coating on iron sulfates. That is why from the word galvanization I can understand X is what?
Zinc.
X is what?
Zinc.
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 Yes or no? All of you understand or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
that is. So now, please all of you write the reaction. What is the reaction? Zn
CuSO4.
Zn
Plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu.
ZnSO4 plus Cu.
ZnSO4 plus Cu.
ZnSO4 plus Cu. Now state, make
Sir,
it more
zinc is
informative.
solid.
Sir,
Zinc
zinc
is solid. Zinc is solid.
CuSO4 is
Copper
aqueous.
sulfate aqueous.
aqueous state.
ZnSO4
Zinc
is also
sulfate
Zinc
aqueous.
Solid.
Copper
Aqueous.
solid.
Aqueous.
Copper
aqueous.
solid.
Solid.
Copper
Copper
solid.
solid. Very good. So that is the thing. So what type of chemical
Copper
reaction takes
sulfate
place
is
here?
blue color.
What type of
Displacement
chemical reaction?
reaction.
What type of chemical reaction it is?
displacement reaction.
Ah,
Displacement.
displacement reaction.
Displacement reaction.
Single displacement or double displacement?
Single displacement, sir.
Ah,
Single displacement.
somebody said
Single
double
displacement,
displacement.
sir.
Who said double displacement?
No,
It is
sir,
what?
I said
Single displacement or
single displacement. Sir.
just displacement reaction? Understanding?
Okay.
Next. So this is the reaction which we have written. Now, name the alloy Z. Name, they are saying that metal X and metal Y together form an alloy Z. So alloys and as well as metal
Sir,
Y
brass,
is making brass. This also
Yes,
have
sir.
taught
Brass.
you. Understanding? Remember
Yes,
that.
sir.
Zinc and copper, we can use alloys of uses of metals. This X and Y both we can use in manufacturing of brass. That is you should remember. So brass is a alloy which is made up of metals of zinc and copper. All of you note it down. So brass is the alloy. That's all. Do it. So brass is a made up of what? It's a mixture of metals of Z and
Zinc
X,
and
X
copper.
and Y. So zinc
Zinc and copper.
copper. Should remember. Do it fast. All of you make it. If anybody is having any doubt, you kindly ask me.
Sir, if galvanization is given, then the metal will be zinc,
Definitely.
sir.
100% whenever galvanization word, if you'll heard a galvanization word, definitely that metal is zinc. Whenever if you'll heard a word called as anodizing, aluminum, that you should remember. Again, we'll study in metals and non-metals, we'll study corrosion. Corrosion part we'll study. Understanding?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't worry, that extraction of metals there will study. Whenever you will heard a word called as anodizing, immediately you should remember it is aluminum. Galvanization, zinc. That's all.
Completed, sir.
Do it. Others also. If you have doubt, you can ask me, anybody. Is there anybody having any doubt? You can. I hope all are understanding correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now Pranita is not joined. Pranita is joined. Arya, why is silent? Ray, your Karthikeyan. Next question, Karthikeyan, and let me give to Dilipan. Dina also joined. Ray, Dina, what? Ray, every time functions and all. Next question, Dilipan and Arya will, Karthikeyan will answer. Dilipan, are you ready? Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
Get ready. Next question, you both. Let me see how fast you people will say. I think Dilipan is very active now. Dilipan, Dina, and Karthikeyan, 3 members. Go ahead now. Others complete fastly. Girls, Varsini, Jessie.
Yes, sir.
Too fast. Others minimum will take 5 minutes this, but you people should not take, because logical base we have to go. How I am saying the answer. While reading the paragraph itself, you should get understanding answers. No need to come from A, B, C, D. You can go any question in middle also. While reading the paragraph itself, you can understand. Others, it will take definitely minimum 5 minutes to answer. And verification also, they will take another 2 or 3 minutes. But we don't want that. We will be like confidently at first attempt itself. You have to do
Next is copper.
Wait. Who is saying that? Varshini, I am not giving a chance to you correct now. Now Karthikeyan, Dilipan, and Dina will say. First, how you found Varshini?
Sir, Y2 is hydrogen.
Why? Y2 is hydrogen. Very good, Dina. Very good. Let it be. How you found Dina? That is what? That logic should come to others. How you found before X? How you find Y2? Because product forming. Is it S? Product if you love yes or no, Dina? Y2O. Y2O is the product. Means in the sense of
Yes, sir, Y2 is product, so Y2 must be hydrogen.
Y2O. So means in the sense of what is the valency of Y? Definitely +1. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is. So let me see. Let us start. So let's say, Dilipan, will you answer all the questions fastly? Speak, yeah.
Sir. Sir, A is copper because metal X is red brown in color.
Wait. When a black metal, 1000 times I told you, when a black metal, when I will see this word black metal compound, what will say? A black metal compound called as 1000 times I told you. Copper oxide. A black metal compound called as copper oxide. So that I
Copper oxide.
Yeah, I can say metal X is what? That is the logic we should remember. Whenever you will see a word called as black metal compound, means in the sense of definitely it will be what? Definitely it will be
Copper
what?
oxide.
Copper oxide.
Copper oxide.
That is the importance of learning colors. So that is X is copper. Now, definitely now heated with a colorless gas Y2. You have a reaction.
Hydrogen.
Copper oxide. Yeah.
Hydrogen.
Tell me the reaction, please, all of you. Copper oxide.
Cu oxide, copper
Cu,
oxide plus hydrogen
O plus
gives
H2O
copper
plus Cu
plus
plus
water.
H2O.
Copper plus water.
Because
Copper
hydrogen
plus
is more
water.
reactive or less reactive than copper? Hydrogen is more reactive or less reactive?
More reactive.
More reactive. That is what? That is why it is forming a. That is why it is forming.
Also, it is an endothermic reaction, sir.
No, actually it is endothermic reaction only. But what it is hydrogen is more reactive than copper. So that only it is forming. It is reacting. Correct or not?
Redox reaction, sir. Redox reaction.
It is redox reaction. Copper oxide turning into copper. See here, you can say copper oxide turning into copper. Oxygen is removed. So that it is called as reduction. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Reduction. Now here hydrogen turning into oxygen, gaining oxidation, gaining oxygen. What we should call?
Oxidation.
Understanding? Now, so if you observe here, who is oxidizing agent here? Who is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent is
Copper.
okay. Oxidizing agent is copper oxide. H2 is Reducing agent.
Reducing agent.
That is. So now, what is compound XO? What is compound XO?
High copper oxide, sir.
Copper oxide.
Copper oxide.
What is the compound Y2O?
H2O.
Y2O.
Water.
H2O water.
Next.
Water.
Write the chemical equation for the reaction which takes place
C
on
equation,
heating
sir.
X1 Y2. CO plus
H2
H2
gives
H2O
H2O plus copper.
plus H2O. Now, so this is, we can say, what is this reaction? What is this reaction? What type of
Decomposition,
reaction?
Displacement
reduction.
reaction.
It is decomposition.
Displacement, sir.
Decomposition or displacement?
Sorry, sir.
Decomposition.
Displacement and
Displacement, sir.
reduction.
Displacement.
It is a displacement. It is a displacement because copper is displaced by whom? Copper is displaced by whom? Hydrogen. Why?
Hydrogen.
Why? What is the reason?
Hydrogen.
Why?
It is more reactive than copper.
To then.
It is more reactive than copper. Can anybody say what is the metal activity series? Displacement as well as redox reaction. It is redox. Anusri, speak.
Sir, can you write endothermic reaction also?
Endothermic. It is under endothermic only I have taught you. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
It is a heat will absorb. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Check your notebooks once. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
then you
sir.
can
Yes,
write
sir.
endothermic also. Okay. Okay, ma.
Yes, sir.
I think it is a heat absorbing reaction only, correct?
Yes, sir.
I have forgot. You have to tell me. Confirm with me, Alni. Check your notebook.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Carry on. Go ahead, all of you. You understand or not? See, this is what, how easily we are answering. Correct or not? If you'll see the colors, you can make it. That is what? That is the use of learning colors. Others cannot easily, but we people are learning colors more easily, better than anybody. We do it. Do it, all of you. So in this reaction, you can see after writing the reaction, please kindly mention oxidation, reduction, as well as oxidizing agent, as well as reducing agent, everything. Because here is not required, but we should know. Is it yes or no? Every time you should know. If you are writing, keep on writing, then we can easily remember when it is required in the right situation. That is. Do it.
If they ask the type of chemical reaction, do we have to write all the reactions that is there in the equation?
Here where, Amma? This is what type of reaction? What, which is, Ashika? This one illustrated in the above equation.
Yes, sir, do we have to write all the chemical reactions which
You write
takes place?
because what I said few times in MCQs, they will give you, suppose same equation I will give you, under down I will give you displacement, double displacement, redox, endothermic. Then down options I will give you A, B, C, A alone, A, B, A, all of the above, like that. Then by you should know everything, correct? That is the way of asking questions. So that only we are studying. If suppose single equation you are studying, you should know that equation will come under all which type of reactions. All you should know.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ashika.
Yes, sir.
The question will come like that only every time. Completed, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
do it, all of you. Anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me. Arvind, no response from you. I don't know what happened, Arvind. Nitinath,
Sir, understood, sir.
understood, but why you are not answering? You have to be more advanced, I'm saying you. Think with the brain, Arvind. Understanding. Don't go like last year's simply by hearting and all we don't want. Okay? Strictly I'm saying you. Tarani Pushpa, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next question, Arvind, you answer, Arvind. Will you answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it is, meeting is going to end. I will send the next meeting ID. Just log in fastly.
Same meeting ID only, no, sir.
The
Every
same
time.
meeting ID. Next question, Arvind. Arvind, start answering. Let it end. You carry on. Let me see who will say. Here also same thing. By using colors, you can answer.